The first in the list is Aamir Khan. Yes, Bollywood perfectionist Aamir Khan and his relationship with Jessica Hines is a secret which is known to many in the industry. However, what is a better dark secret is that Khan even fathered a child from the relationship. Aamir met British journalist Jessica Hines when she was in India while penning down the biographical novel based on the life of megastar Amitabh Bachchan. The two fell in love and were dating each other, and Khan even got Hines impregnated. However, as per the secret sources, Khan was not ready to be a part of parent yet and asked Jessica to get an abortion done, but she chose to keep the baby. It was a baby boy and named as Jan, and his resemblance with Aamir was always kept the whisper aloud of the two lovebirds. Bollywood is also very much known for the mysterious death which has happened in the past, and still there is no end to this. The first in this edition is the one which the entire nation is discussing about, Sushant Singh Rajput. Sridevi is another one who died at the age of 54. The incident happened in Dubai while attending her nephew's wedding, and the reason highlighted was accidental drowning in her bathtub. In 2013, actress Jia Khan was found hung in her apartment with a 6-page suicide note mentioning the name of Suraj Pancholi, son of Aditya Pancholi, as the reason for her misery. Like this, there are many names to it like Praveen Bobby, Divya Bharti, Madhubala, and Meena Kumari. Do you know there was a time when Shah Rukh Khan's name was linked up with Priyanka Chopra? Yes, it's true. While SRK always tried to stay out of any controversy regarding his personal and professional life, his alleged affair with Priyanka Chopra is the biggest controversy in his life. Though they worked only in Dawn series, but they always shared a unique friendship. However, their unique friendship created a lot of buzzes in the tinsel town, and people started to speculate about their relationship. The rumors of their affair started spreading like fire in Bollywood during the promotion of Dawn 2. It was said that Shah Rukh started suggesting producers and directors to take Priyanka as heroine in their films. In fact, during those times, PC was spotted visiting several times at Mannats and in IPL matches. SRK's wife, Gauri Khan, is also a powerful woman and has many powerful friends in the industry. She, along with her friends, started to ban Priyanka from the film, in which Karan Johar also supported her. Finally, Shah Rukh realized that his kids and family are more important. Then he made his decision to put a full stop on his relation with PC. In a chat show, she accepted her relationship with Shah Rukh. She showed a jacket that one of her exes has given to her. Also, Shah Rukh was spotted wearing the same jacket at many events. Undoubtedly, the Bachchan family is everyone's favorite. However, they also have some darkest secrets that will remain in the dark and no one knows about it. Do you know about Shweta Bachchan's divorce? Yes, not many people are aware that Shweta Bachchan is a divorcee. The star daughter was married to businessman Nikhil Nanda in 1997, but when things did not work out well between the duo, they decided to get separated a few years back. Shweta Bachchan lives in her father's residency now. However, the Bachchan family has never made it official as this news could have affected their public image. Well, Shweta and Aishwarya both avoid each other in the public eye. Rumors have it they still don't talk to each other properly. Actually, Shweta is very close to Abhishek's ex-girlfriend Karishma Kapoor and is yet to accept Aishwarya as her sister-in-law. The one is such a secret of Bachchan family that many people are not aware of. It is also said that Aishwarya Rai was not the first choice of Jaya as Abhishek's wife. Jaya wanted Rani Mukherjee to marry her son Abhishek. Also, Jaya is jealous of Aishwarya because the former Miss India has huge popularity that Abhishek doesn't have. The granddaughter of Bachchan family, Navya Naveli, has already made the headlines with her many boyfriends. She once dated superstar Shah Rukh's son, Aryan. However, the Bachchan family were not happy with this. Soon their parents led them off to London for their studies. Later, she got engaged to Javed Jafri's son, Mizan Jafri. Bollywood beauty Rekha is unforgettable actress for many reasons. Apart from her stellar performances on screen in films like Silsila and Umrao Jaan, Rekha is also known for her secret affairs and marriages. Many of her darkest secrets are revealed now for her fans in the form of a book named Rekha, The Untold Story, penned by Yasser Usman, and which has opened many secrets about her mysterious and controversial life that were hidden before. Very few people know that Rekha was born to her parents out of wedlock. Her parents got married after her birth. In 1973, Rekha had an affair with Bollywood actor Vinod Mehra, and her secret marriage with Vinod also led to a lot of eyebrows raised those days. After this failed marriage, she announced getting married to Mukesh Agarwal, but they couldn't live together for long. Within a year of her marriage in 1990, Mukesh committed suicide by hanging himself with a dupatta, and Rekha was the prime suspect behind this death. People all over the country started hating and shaming her as a cold-hearted man-eater. The book also features the sizzling affair between Rekha and Big B Amitabh Bachchan and the Cold War which happened between the pair and Big B's wife Jaya Bachchan. Rekha still puts sindoor and her lifestyle is same as of a married woman. The reason behind it's still a mystery.